This video is part of a series that shows you the basics of how to set up Webdocs security model. In this video, you'll learn how to assign users and groups permissions to folders and document types. The instructions in this video assume that you have installed, licensed, and configured Webdocs Windows Edition, and that you have watched the video Webdocs Windows Edition Security and Overview, the videos on users and groups, folders, and document types, and the permissions overview video. First, log into Webdocs as an administrator. Click the Settings tab. Under Manage Users and Groups on the left, click Permissions. To set permissions for a folder, choose to view permissions for folders by folder from the drop-down list. Then click the name of the folder you want to set permissions for. I'll choose the Accounts Payable folder. For each user and group, you can see a list of permissions. You click each permission to allow, deny, or inherit the permission. For example, Acme Company's administrator wants the Accounts Payable group to be able to see the documents in the Accounts Payable folder, edit the documents, and save the edited documents back to Webdocs. So the administrator allows the Accounts Payable group permission to view, check in, and check out documents in the Accounts Payable folder. But the administrator doesn't want a new employee, Amanda, to be able to edit documents until she's trained. So, under Amanda, the administrator denies the check-in and check-out permissions. Now the Accounts Payable group can still see and edit documents in the Accounts Payable folder. But, even though Amanda is also in the Accounts Payable group, she can only see documents until the administrator changes her permissions. Set the permissions for all the groups and folders you've set up. For example, I'll assign Acme Company's Accounts Payable supervisors these permissions to the Accounts Payable folder, and so on. If you need to set permissions in a more precise way using document types, just choose Document Types by Users and Groups from the drop-down list, click the group you want to set permissions for, and set the permissions for this document type. Now that you know how to assign permissions, you can use Webdocs Security Model to keep your documents secure.